Hello students, the question is which one of the following statement is incorrect? हमें incorrect statement बताना है. Let's read the statements. A. Competitive inhibitor does not affect the rate of breakdown of enzyme and substrate complex. B. The presence of competitive inhibitor decreases the Km value of the enzyme for the substrate. C. The competitive inhibitor reacts reversibly with the enzyme to form an enzyme inhibitor complex. D. Competitive inhibition, the inhibitor molecule is not chemically changed by the enzyme. So इसमें क्या बात हुई है? कॉम्पिटिटिव इनहिबिशन की बात हुई है. कॉम्पिटिटिव इनहिबिशन की जब हम बात करते हैं तो here the chemical that act as an inhibitor is similar to the substrate. ये हमारा एंजाइम है. यहाँ एंजाइम में this is an active site of an enzyme where the substrate bind. Now this is a substrate molecule complementary to the X shape of active site. This is the substrate molecule. But the inhibitor here is that shows competitive inhibitor is similar in structure but not in chemical nature. So ये हो गया inhibitor. Now here inhibitor competes with the substrate molecule and decreases the rate of reaction or the enzyme activity because here inhibitor reacts with or competes with the substrate molecule to bind on an active site to complete the reaction. So options देखते हैं बच्चों. The competitive inhibition does not affect the rate of breakdown of enzyme substrate. वो enzyme substrate complex के rate को affect नहीं करेगा. Yes, this is correct statement. B. The presence of competitive inhibitor decreases the Km value of enzyme. So बच्चे यहाँ पे Km value increase होगी. Why? What is Km value first of all? Km value means substrate concentration at which half velocity of enzymatic reaction is half the maximum possible. Is half of maximum possible, or we can say that when half of the substrate forms the enzyme substrate complex. Now when there is a low Km value, the Km value is less, then there is the more affinity of binding and forming enzyme substrate complex, enzyme with a substrate. And when there is a fast reaction when there is low Km value. And अब यहाँ क्या हो रहा है कि इनहिबिटर क्या कर रहा है, रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन को रिड्यूस कर रहा है, तो यहाँ पे Km वैल्यू लो नहीं हो सकती, क्या होगी, इंक्रीज होगी, हाई हो जाएगी. दैट्स व्हाई सबस्ट्रेट एंजाइम कॉम्प्लेक्स स्लोली बन रहा है, रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन रिड्यूस कर रहा है इनहिबिटर, सो इट इंक्रीजेस. And this statement is incorrect. Competitive inhibitor reacts reversibly with the enzyme to form enzyme inhibitor complex. Yes, this is correct. It is a reversible reaction. In competitive inhibition, the inhibitor molecule is not chemically changed by an enzyme. Yes, inhibitor molecule is not chemically changed by enzyme. So the correct answer here is option B. Thank you.